So in the previous two chapters, we have seen what is a notebook, how to use a notebook also, and we have visited a Jupyter notebook. But in this chapter, we will see how to set up a local notebook using Anaconda. Anaconda is an open source. So let's get started. What it offers. So first, what you have to do it is visit an Anaconda website. Okay, and visit the Anaconda downloads. Either you can register yourself and or you can sign in where you can access some of the notebooks using the Anaconda also, or you can skip the registration and you can directly go on to the download page. You can see that Windows installers are also there, Mac installers are also there, and Linux installers are also there. I have already downloaded the Anaconda. Okay, so let's go through it. I have already installed also locally on my system, but again, just certain steps I wanted to uh, clearly point out so that uh, you don't face certain challenges while installation or errors. So, like it was mentioning that this is the 2024 version of Anaconda. Okay. Again, the installation instructions are quite old. You can go next. You can visit the agreement if you need it. Just me, you should do it. Okay. Um, when you're running it for all the users and you're installing, it needs an admin privileges because what happens is it sets up some of the paths. Okay, which you wanted to make sure that those paths you're setting up only for yourself and not for all the users, because other users programs, if their Python programs are there running, then they might face a issue if you change the path, because it will try change the path to Anaconda Python libraries. So you should typically go for just me. The location you gave it, which location you wanted to install, I will suggest that go for a location which has a larger amount of space. Okay, because there will be a libraries will get installed and which needs a lot of space. And the data also you will be downloading. Uh, Data, when I say it is like a training data, that also, which is quite a big portion, large number of files will be there. If you are using or trying to train the multimedia, it's set up on a drive which has a space, proper amount of space. So I have done the setup on a D drive, but I'm just I will go till the last page and then we'll see. Okay, you can add it into the uh, shortcut. Add Anaconda 3 to my path. This is what I was mentioning actually. And then after installation, it will start installing. Okay, and once it installs, okay, I have already installed, so I'm not going to install it. But once it is installed, you will see a screen. This is the landing screen of Anaconda Navigator. Okay, or you can run it and from your search or from your Windows menu also. You will get all these options. Okay, uh, and what what you can do it is install some of them. Okay, all you at this moment you need it is a Jupyter notebook. Okay, I have already installed, so that's why it is showing me that just launch option it is giving me. Okay, and I use sometimes Anaconda notebook, which is again a cloud hosted notebook, which I was mentioning to sign in, and you can uh, visit there also, or Visual Studio Code also sometimes I use. But for now, you need it a Jupyter notebook. Okay, That is the first step. So install it, and after that, the launch options will come.